asking a lot of those volunteers to get together and they group patrol, as they say, and they try to get certain neighborhoods. And if there's a certain neighborhood that has some activity going, they like to make their presence known, and they do it in the morning, they do it in the afternoon, they do it at night. But like I said, they are only to observe and report.
Right.
No George Zimmerman, take matters into your own hands.
I'll throw you a rock.
Sit so
Yeah.
I can hear. Now that you're through talking.
Now, is she gonna be in two?
I don't have that. I can put my dog poop down there without help.
It does. It
It
does.
just makes them go to another hole.
That's what happens, yes. But it does for a
I've
lot, it
tried
does
that.
fertilize the lawn at the
Well, that
same
would be
time.
better, cause that was gonna be
Yeah.
my question about the
Right.
cat litter,
I
because
could loan you a couple of our dogs. I mean,
then it seems like nothing would grow there if I put cat
I
litter down there.
have tried everything.
Yeah,
I never thought of what you just said, though, Karen.
tried prayer.